Hi! So today's video is going to focus on Tai Chi for balance and strength. I'm going to share with you a short, simple routine that you can follow along and then practice regularly at home. It's going to work on major leg muscles and hopefully improve our strength so that we can improve our balance. So without further ado, let's get started straight away. I'm going to jump straight in with the routine today, but if you want a full body warm up before we practice our Tai Chi, then check out the video above. That goes through a lovely warm up that will get all your body moving and prepared, ready for our Tai Chi practice. Make sure you've got a clear floor area so you're not going to trip over anything, and always do all of the moves within your own comfort zone. Really important to keep exercises within your own limitations. Listen to your own body. Make sure you don't push too far. We're hopefully moving forward step by step. We don't want to injure ourselves and take a step backwards. Starting with our feet together, think about your posture while you're here. Nice relaxed stance, joints tension free. We're going to breathe in and breathe out, sinking our weight into that right leg. I'll do it mirror image. We're peeling our left foot off the floor and then we're going to place it into our parallel. I'm going to center my weight here, very important. So weight is 50-50 on each leg. I'm going to breathe my arms up exactly like our opening stance and then bend down, sinking down just a little bit, small little knee bend here. Inhaling as I'm coming up, and just like a closing stance, bringing my hands down and then stepping that left foot in. I'm going to repeat that on the other side. So breathing in, breathing out, this time sinking into the left leg, peeling off that right leg, nice and slowly, taking your time, and really center the weight here. And then inhaling and exhaling. So we've just brought our feet to the parallel stance, hip width apart. We're bringing our arms down, closing the stance. So we're going to repeat that. Inhale, exhale. Centering the weight. And transferring the weight so that we can step back in and again. So sinking the weight so we can peel that foot off and make our movement. Center the weight. One more time. Repeating the move, but this time adding a little tap in to progress the movement and challenge the strength of the legs to hold that knee bend for a little bit longer. So follow along, inhaling and exhale again, sinking the weight into that right leg. This means we can release this left leg to make the movement, all our weight in that right leg. Peeling down and centering the weight here. Inhaling and then exhaling as we bend our knees just into a comfortable position. We're going to transfer our weight back to the right hand side. We're tapping that left foot in and then taking it out, replacing it and centering our weight again. Lifting up, bringing the arms down and stepping in. Let's do that on the other side. Inhale, exhale, sinking that weight into that left leg so we can peel that right leg off. Centering our weight here. Inhale and exhale, just to bend wherever you're comfortable. Then we're transferring our weight to the left hand side. We're tapping in, we're taking it back out, lifting up, bringing it down and stepping in. Let's do that again. Really taking your time, thinking about where your weight is. So I'm transferring it over to tap in, taking it back out and lifting up. And again, other side. Let's repeat that. And final time. A final progression, we're going to hold the knee bend for a little bit longer. I'm going to bring our hands in and push back out. So it extends the amount of time that we're holding that knee bend. Inhale and exhale. Sinking that weight, peeling that foot. Center the weight here. Grounding into the floor. Bring our hands in and push forwards and bring them into our tabletop. We're going to transfer our weight, tap in, tap out, and then lift up and bring it in. Let's do that on the other side. Center the weight. And really ground into the floor here. We're bringing our hands in. We're pushing them out. We're bringing them into the tabletop. Then we're transferring, tapping that toe in, taking it back. And lift up. Bring it down. And stepping in. Let's repeat all that. Final time. Remember to keep breathing, keeping it calm, holding this knee bend here, pushing out, transferring and tapping in. Final time. you practice that regularly, you will definitely increase the strength in your legs. Make sure your knees are always in a safe and comfortable position. Now, if you want to challenge your leg strength even more, you can do exactly the same exercise, but in horse stance. So with that, we would be breathing in, breathing out. As we peel our foot off, we'd be taking it a little bit further than hip width apart, so then we could sink down a lot deeper into our horse stance. Only do this when your leg strength is up to it, and making sure again that you stay within your own comfort zone and limitations. So I'll do one repetition of each of the routine using horse stance, just so that you can see it. Breathing in and breathing out. Sinking the weight, peeling that foot up. This time slightly wider than hip width, so a big long stride. Center your weight again, very important. Inhale and then really sink down. So I'm going to sink quite low. I'm holding it here. Bringing my hands in. I'm going to push and exhale. And then bring the hands down. Now I'm going to transfer my weight and tapping in. Trying to keep it as if I'm keeping the same level. And bringing it in here. Inhale and exhale. Peeling that foot up slightly wider than hip width this time, so I can inhale, center the weight, and exhale, really pushing down into that horse stance, sinking down. Inhale and exhale, holding that bend, bringing the hands down like I'm under a low ceiling. I'm trying to keep myself in the same position, so it's really challenging those thighs. And stepping in. Hope you've enjoyed today's routine. It was all about Tai Chi for balance and strength. Leave me a comment below to let me know what benefits you've had from practicing Tai Chi on a regular basis, and if it has helped to improve your leg strength and your balance. If you've enjoyed today's video, then check out some of my others. Lots of short, easy to follow routines there. Also, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Please help me out. Subscribe to the channel, and that way I know that you want more of these videos to follow along at home. Take care, and I will see you very soon.